Prepare the Excel file according to the Excel format's guidelines. Ensure that all mandatory columns are filled up in Excel files. Connect Tally ODBC to Tally Master, Excel to Tally. Select the purchase form from the Accounts Vouchers menu. Select the prepared Excel file by clicking the Load Excel button at the bottom of the screen. Check the lists of common errors for repair if the Excel file does not load and any errors appear. To analyze the loaded data, use data grid features like filter, search, and group. To check the presence of linked masters of the voucher, click the Verify Masters button at the bottom of the screen. For example, ledgers, cost centers, stock items, godowns, units, voucher types, and so on. Missing masters can be automatically constructed. To pick the default voucher type and associated parameters, click the Configuration button, upper right on the grid. To Tally, upload all or a subset of your vouchers. Click the Upload to Tally button on the left side of the data grid to upload entries straight to Tally. Details about imported records may be seen in the import process, log, and report. Users must examine and verify the Tally once it has been uploaded.